Acknowledging the blunder of augmentation of traditional agriculture to industrial practices and the rise of regenerative agriculture. Generative. Nature had a purpose to fulfill before creating the solar system and planet Earth. An operating system evolved to sustain diverse life forms within a well-designed environment, ensuring sustainable food supplies for over 1.5 million species and still counting. The symbiotic relationship between fungi and algae transformed stone into soil, laying the foundation for supplying food to all. Plants, in their various forms, were designed to convert carbon into sugars using sunlight, minerals from the soil, and water. Life in the soil was created to support plants, the primary food-producing species. The ecosystem for food production is based in uplands, where the soil is moist, well aerated, and teeming with supporting life. The fundamental principles include 1. Avoiding soil inundation with water, 2. Minimizing soil disturbance, and 3. Protecting the soil from radiation with thick organic mulch. Water is provided through rain, dew, and humidity in the air, carbon is drawn from the atmosphere as CO2, and sunlight emanates from the shining sun. Minerals are carefully prepared in the soil by the life within it, maintaining the right proportions. This supply system has sustained life for billions of years without depleting any resources. Degenerative. Safety, continuity, and greed have driven humans to intervene in the natural food production system. Without a comprehensive understanding of soil dynamics, humans disturbed the soil by tilling it to bury seeds for concentrated food production, left it bare to eradicate weeds, and allowed it to lie fallow to replenish soil health for the next crop. Additionally, they constructed flood irrigation networks, bypassing natural provision systems. As a result of degradation, crop plants began to show deficiencies, which were addressed through the use of agrochemicals. Causes of degradation include soil disturbance through tillage, exposure of soil to radiation, and flood irrigation. Collectively, these interventions run counter to the well-designed natural ecosystem that has sustained itself since human interference began. This is how we replaced biology with chemistry, leading to a decline in food quality, increased costs, and reduced sustainability. Regenerative. In 2008, Paedar, a transformative producer, a private entity, identified the reasons for degradations by studying natural habitats and developed a new crop production system entirely based on the natural algorithms of vegetation, the natural provision and protection system. The new process was initially named paradoxical agriculture, PA, and later also referred to as PQNK, pronounced as picnic, which stands for Paedar Qudratti Nizam Kashatqari, meaning sustainable natural farming system. The successful propagation of this system on a large scale created hype, leading many entities to attempt to utilize the PA/PQNK process under different names, such as regenerative, sustainable, raised beds, wrap, leaf, etc., agriculture, to attract funds addressing climate, soil, food, and water scarcity without truly understanding the basics. PQNK, the generative. Current industrial agriculture, which evolved from the practice of burying seeds in soil initiated by Homo sapiens some 10,000 years ago and augmented over time, is now practiced worldwide. However, this widespread practice has led to the degradation of everything connected to it. The consideration and adaptation of so-called regenerative agriculture acknowledge the degradation caused by industrial agriculture. The development of processes is the most tedious and time-consuming aspect, which is why many relied on augmentations of tilled practices. It took Paedar 15 years to develop the production process by immersing themselves within the natural ecosystem and creating machines to mechanize steps within the process. This self-funded development, which occurred some 50 years ago, made such progress possible.